Welcome to our channel. Hey there, friends. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been making waves in the world of health and longevity: NAD+. You might have heard about it in the context of anti-aging, but what exactly is NAD+? Let's break it down together. So, NAD+ stands for Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide. Quite a mouthful, right? But don't worry, you don't need to memorize that. What's important to know is that NAD+ is a coenzyme found in every cell of our body. Think of it as a little helper that assists with many crucial processes. Now, let's talk a bit about its discovery. NAD+ was first identified way back in 1906 by British biochemists Arthur Harden and William John Young. They noticed this molecule was involved in fermentation, but it wasn't until much later that scientists began to understand its broader significance. So, what does NAD+ actually do in our bodies? Well, it plays a crucial role in converting the food we eat into the energy we need to function. It's involved in hundreds of metabolic processes. One of its key roles is in the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, helping to produce ATP, which is basically the energy currency of our cells. NAD+ is also vital for DNA repair. Our DNA gets damaged every day from things like UV radiation and pollution. NAD+ helps to activate proteins that repair this damage, keeping our cells healthy. Another fascinating aspect of NAD+ is its role in activating sirtuins. Sirtuins are proteins that help regulate cellular health and have been linked to longevity. Sirtuins can only function with NAD+, which means without enough NAD+, our cells can't maintain their health and efficiency. Having higher levels of NAD+ makes you feel healthier and more energetic. On the other hand, if your NAD+ levels are low, you'll likely feel unwell and lacking in strength. When your NAD+ levels are lower than they should be, you might notice a decrease in both physical and mental energy. However, it doesn't stop there. You might also experience slower thinking, memory issues, or a decrease in overall agility and quickness. So, why is everyone so excited about NAD+? Research suggests that boosting NAD+ levels can have numerous health benefits. These include improved energy levels, better cognitive function, enhanced DNA repair, and even potentially slowing down the aging process. As we age, our NAD+ levels naturally decline, which can contribute to various age-related health issues. By finding ways to maintain or boost NAD+ levels, we might improve our health span. That's the number of years we live in good health. Now, you might be wondering, how can we boost our NAD+ levels naturally? There are a few ways. 1. Exercise. Regular physical activity has been shown to naturally increase NAD+ levels. 2. Ketogenic diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in foods like fish, chicken, and whole grains can help. These foods contain precursors to NAD+. 3. Intermittent fasting. When you fast, your digestive system gets a rest, and it also causes the release of various hormones and enzymes that help your body repair itself. One of these helpful coenzymes that seems to go up is NAD+. 4. Sauna. One effective method is to make regular use of a sauna. Studies have demonstrated that heat exposure from sauna sessions can lead to a boost in cellular NAD+ levels. which can have a significant impact on your overall health. 5. Reduce inflammation. Lowering inflammation in your body is crucial for boosting your NAD+ levels in a natural way. Studies indicate that persistent inflammation hinders the production of NAD+ and leads to a notable decrease in NAD+ levels. The following supplements can also help to boost NAD+ levels. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. 1. Resveratrol. Resveratrol, a helpful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substance, can be discovered in grapes, red wine, raspberries, and dark chocolate. It's recognized for its ability to ward off neurodegenerative diseases. Researchers are delving into the reasons behind its effectiveness. Several studies have demonstrated that resveratrol boosts NAD+ synthesis and elevates NAD+ levels in human brain cells. 2. Leucine. Leucine, a member of the branched-chain amino acids or BCAA, is considered an essential amino acid, which means it must be obtained from food or supplements. Many athletes and bodybuilders use leucine as a supplement to boost energy, enhance strength, and promote muscle growth. Studies have indicated that taking leucine supplements can raise intracellular NAD+ levels and protect against mitochondrial dysfunction. 3. Niacinamide. Niacinamide, or nicotinamide, is the active form of vitamin B3 that dissolves in water. Many people take it as a supplement to boost their health. By taking niacinamide, you can increase NAD+ levels in your body, which in turn enhances mitochondrial function. Research has demonstrated that supplementing with niacinamide significantly raises NAD+ levels in the brain, showing promising benefits. So, there you have it. NAD+ is a tiny molecule with a huge impact on our health and longevity. By understanding and supporting our NAD+ levels, we can take a step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Check out the description box for more information about NAD+. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.